Good morning students. In this video we are going to cover the uniform and non-uniform motion, weight, units of weight, measurements of weight and difference between mass and weight. So we start with uniform and non-uniform motion. An object is said to have a uniform motion if it covers equal distance in equal interval of time along a straight line. For example, if a car covers a distance of 50 km in first hour, 50 km in second hour and 50 km in third hour and so on, then it is said that it have a uniform motion because it covers a equal distance within every hour. And an object is said to have non-uniform motion if it covers unequal distance in equal interval of time. For example, a car covers 30 km in first hour, 50 km in second hour and 40 km in third hour. Then all the distance which are unequal with belongs to each hour. So it is said to be non-uniform motion. Now the weight. The definition of weight says that the weight of an object is the force with which it is exerted by the earth towards its center. As we all know that every object falls towards downward when left freely or suspended. It happens due to the force of pull or the gravity exerted by the earth. So, as we all know that the gravity will change from place to place on our earth. So, the weight of the body is also changed according to the change in gravity. Now, the units of weight. As we all know that the unit of force is Newton. So, the SI unit of weight is also be Newton. Weight is also expressed in kilogram force and gram force, where 1 kilogram force is defined as the force with which the earth attracts a body of mass 1 kg towards its center. Mathematically, 1 kgf या 1 kilogram force is equals to 9.8 Newton force. The device used to measure the weight is called the spring balance, which is consist of a spring whose upper end is fixed at the point and the lower end is attached to a hook used to hang the object whose weight is to be measured. The spring has a pointer attached to it and the whole system is enclosed in a metal case. The front side of the metal case has a vertical slit and it marked with a scale. A spring balance works on the principle that when an object is suspended from the lower end of the spring gets stretched. Greater the load, more the stretch will be there. Now, the last point is that the difference between mass and the weight. So we all know that the mass and weight are not equal. So there will be a difference between them. If we cover the mass is the amount of matter occupied in a body is called its mass, whereas the weight of a body is the force with which it attracted by the earth towards its center is called weight. If we talk about the change of mass with the position of the body, then there should be no change of mass within the body if it is changed according to the place, but weight will be depend upon the force of gravity, thus change from place to place. Next, the mass of the body can be zero, but the weight of the body can be zero if no force of gravity act on the body, then only. The SI unit of mass is kilogram, whereas we all know that the SI unit of weight is Newton. The mass of a body is measured by a simple beam balance or a physical balance. whereas the mass or weight of the body is measured by spring balance. That's all from this video. Thank you.